Hi friends, today I'm going to explain you that a new kind of generation cables. In the available in the market, many kind of cable is there. The networking cable especially, there are like MPO, MTP and UTP, whatever. In the last lot of videos I already explained you many kind of cables. Now I'm going to explain you that is a new generation one of the cable that will be called Uniboot cable. Especially this Uniboot cable, why we are going to use the data center? The data center we are using for the Uniboot cable, we can avoid the congestion. And the main thing is that we can avoid the congestion. So one cable can be passed to two cables like TXRX powers. In the meantime, you can just like one fiber can be distributed to two fiber. So I will show you how it should be. I have already one Uniboot cable with me. I will open it. So this is the one, the cable, Uniboot cable. You can see it is here one jacket, and you see the one jacket can be passed to two fibers. So you can have TXRX. We can say TXRX. And second one, in the second one, you can have one choice. I already take, what is my requirement? It is I got it. Okay, second cable is like this. So it can be a second part of a breakout cable. So it will be two jackets. These cables will be available single mode and multi-mode and MPO. So whatever it is your requirement as per the market is available, and you can have check. I can remove for you. There is the jacket. You can remove the jacket easily. Also here you can remove the jacket easily. So you can remove the jacket. So you can see here. The polarity, you can change it also. If you want to A, B, like TX to RX, RX to TX, whatever, you can change it. Like if you want to change it, you can take it one of the cable. You can take it one of the cable. See, you can take it and the cable, and the second cable also. If you want to change the polarity, very easily you can change it. I just changing the polarity where you want to be changed. And one SAP can be supported TXRX power, so it should be come together only. So where you want to change the polarity, and just you can connect it to that cover. Like this is the cover, it will come. You can put it. So where you want to change the polarity, and just you can connect it to that cover. Like this is the cover, it will come. You can put it. So easily you can put it. So you can change it whatever you can. Of thousands cables you pulling, then it will be the bandwidth will be very high definition. Uniboot cable will give a high signal bandwidth. So it is very good to use in the data center, wherever you want to use the local place, like on the normal site or whatever. If you want congestion, you can avoid the congestion. Okay, if you do the survey, or if you go for a new design, and you can tell this because it will be more expensive. And but if many people will be look for the good data center design and something like that, you can suggest them, what you want to use it. Good design, good data center, they want to make it good, and they want to avoid any congestion. If they have a many connectivity or some trunking, like the small trunking will be there, and they don't have a choice to put more trunking, then they will go for, they must be want to be avoid the congestion. This level we can have a discussion with customer. Okay, so we'll use it if you want it. Okay, but you can, they will be very interested also. So it can be your things also you can present to the customer. So this is if you like my channel, so I will come to you with more videos like cables, whatever it is, new technology. I will come to you with more videos. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks all.